Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this Black Beauty 1969 Camaro powered by an LT1 with tune port fuel injection, automatic overdrive transmission, just beautiful, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got a tilt steering wheel. All your center gauges are in there with a Kenwood sound system, dual exhaust. Just really, really beautiful done car. I mean, this thing is sitting on 18-inch Boyd wheels and tire package, and look at its stance. Paint is magnificent on this car. We're gonna go through it. Look at how nice this is. Let me get deep down in there. What a beautiful paint job. Great, great, great paint. All right, let's get up and personal with it so I can know exactly what you're getting when you get it home. Front hood lines up great. No chips to be found. Paint is in excellent, excellent condition up here. Chrome bumpers in good shape. All your lights are working. Turn signals are working. Brake lights are working. Tiny little crack in this up here on your valance on the bottom. A couple of them in there. Front fender, no issues whatsoever. Nice chrome all the way throughout. Lines up great. All your glass is in great shape. Windshield, back window, passenger side glass, and drivers. This thing just lines up awesome. See right through it. It's like a mirror. Nothing to be found there. All your rear glass is good. Trunk lines up nicely. All your lights back here are intact. Real clean underneath as well. Chrome bumpers in great shape in back. No issues on this rear quarter. It's got dual mirrors. Lines up good all the way throughout. Badged up as a Z28. A lot of meat on the tires. No pitting or anything. Wheels are fresh, fresh, fresh. Take a look at the trunk. All your weather stripping is in great shape all the way throughout. Trunk is in real good shape. Nothing to talk about. Solid, solid, solid. Rear deck with 6x9s, back seat good. All your seat belts intact. Headliner, good shape all the way through. Door panels are good. All your original welds are there all the way throughout. It's got a tilt steering wheel, nice. Rosewood steering wheel. 77,109 miles. Dash pad is good. Sun visors are intact. All your carpet's good. Dashboard's good. Automatic trans. Overdrive. Nicely done. Aftermarket gauges. Nicely done. Kenwood sound system. Fresh, fresh, fresh inside. Let's go to the other door. Clean. Nice car. Let's fire this thing up. Fire in the hole. Right key, here we go. Nice sound. Give it a little gas. Real clean under here. Power brakes, power steering, all your hoses and belts are in great shape. All the suspension's been done. Super, super clean. Just got done driving it. Tight, shifts well, pulls great, handles great, no funky noises in the suspension. Just a nice driving, beautiful car. if you're looking to get some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 639 to a 739 score, we'll go up to 84 months, minimum 10% down, good rates. Go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now, we'll get it called in. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down, 84 months. Again, good rates. Approval within 24 hours. If you need quotes on shipping anywhere in the United States, enclosed or open, bonded and insured to your door, please text me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We have over 120 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our descriptions, video, pictures, and pricings online at mgmclassiccars.com. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We're open 9 to 5 Monday through Friday, 10 to 2 on Saturday, by appointment only. If you have any questions on any of our cars or want to schedule an appointment, please contact me at 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook at mgmclassiccars.com, also known as Tri-State Auto Wholesalers. Thanks for checking out this video. Have a great day.